Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to look on how to parse data in Excel. Before we start, maybe you can define what we mean by parsing data in Excel. Parsing data is a method of splitting a column into multiple columns. Before we continue, there might be another term that we need to understand before we continue, and the term is a delimiter. What's a delimiter? A delimiter is the symbol or space which separates the data you wish to split. With this, let's go straight to our data in Excel. So this is our data. As you can see, it is untidy. This data has around 32,562 observations. That means it has around 32,562 rows. But when you check the columns, it doesn't show anything. This means that the data needs some cleaning. And if you're using Excel 2010, 2013, or 2016, it is very possible to parse data from one column into two or more columns. You can simply do that using these few steps. The first thing you have to do is highlight the first column. To do that, click the first cell, then click Control Space. After highlighting the first cell, click on the Data tab in the ribbon here. Then look for Text to Columns. That's here. Click on it. You're gonna have to leave it to leave the delimited clicked. Click Next. Okay. Now this is our main box that you need to understand very well. When you look at our data, the delimiter in our data is comma. So you have to check comma. If we had a semicolon as our delimiter, then we could have checked semicolon. But in this case, we are going to check comma. You can notice some changes here. Okay. Click Next. Then you're gonna have to leave general ticked that way and click Finish. Okay, now our data looks good, but not that perfect because some of the columns can't be seen unless you click on the cells. For example, here, this capital gain, but the whole cells can't be seen until you clicked on it. So we are going to expand the columns, and to expand the columns, click Control A, then click Alt H O I. Yes, and so our data looks cool and tidy, ready for next step. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. On our next tutorials, we're going to check on how to clean data using Excel.